WUSA 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Active weather across the country, including right here in D.C. I'm Mary Marshall with this WUSA 9 Weather Impact Update. We are under a weather impact alert for rain today, and a few storms. You can even spot some stronger storm activity around areas just north of Dallas into New Mexico, with severe thunderstorms breaking out earlier, along with flash flooding as well. For Metro D.C., we'll see those showers and a few storms pass across, and then we will clear out by Saturday night, and we're looking forward to a really nice but breezy to windy Sunday. So here's the key timing for some of the storms to push through. That's going to be between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. You can certainly get some showers ahead of that, but during that time frame is when we're expecting some of these storms to produce heavy rain and gusty winds. Maybe a good idea to move your outdoor plans indoors as you see those storms approach, and maybe charge your phones and other devices just in case the power goes out. You'd still have a way to contact your loved ones. We issue these weather impact alerts when we know can have an impact on you. Today, we issued it because of this as being a nuisance issue that could help you may force you rather to change your plans. We'll still see temperatures climbing well into the 70s before our front arrives, up to 79 today with that rain in the forecast. And by the hour, this is what it looks like by 11 a.m. We're up to 71, up to 75 by 1 p.m. You can see right there between 1 and 3 how that storm activity really begins to ramp up during that time. That's as that front's coming in. And then once we get to 5, 6, 7 o'clock, we see the weather beginning to calm down a bit. So it is going to be breezy later on tonight. By 7 o'clock, those winds are gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour, but still a nice evening to get out with the weather and the wet weather out of the way. You can still enjoy the rest of your weekend. So that front will push in, and that'll be the main trigger behind the showers and the potential storms that have come in. Now, just based on dynamics, we don't have a huge risk for any of these storms to turn severe. In fact, I'm expecting most of them to stay below severe criteria, but it is possible that 1 or 2 could produce a damaging wind. All these areas shaded in green right here from D.C. basically and points east, that's where you could see that likely happening. So that'll include D.C., Prince George's, Anne Arundel County, Charles St. Mary's, the Eastern Shore, over through Easton and into Delaware as well. So on a scale of 1 to 5, you can see it's a 1, which is very low, but not completely out of the question. So these will go come in and out and move out rather quickly, so shouldn't burden your plans later on this evening and tonight too much. All right, we'll go through the rest of your day. We'll continue to see before the noon hour a few showers, and then this is about 2 o'clock. You can see a few showers and storms cropping up, and they'll be scattered out. So in some spots, you might just get light rain. Other areas, you're looking at those pockets of moderate to heavy rain. There you see that orange color and yellow color indicating slightly heavier rainfall there. Same at about 2:50 or so in the afternoon. They're scattered out, a few of them producing the stronger storms. Look at this by 3:30 heading into La Plata and Andrews, potentially some stronger storms packing a bit of a heavier punch as it moves into those areas. And this is at about 4:45. At this point, the stronger storms are pushing over to the lower eastern shore and into southern Maryland around the Cambridge and Patuxent River area by 5:45 of Metro D.C. By then, you are done. We just got the breezy winds to contend with after these storms pass by, and the rest of your Saturday night into Sunday is looking really, really good. So tonight we'll dip down to the 40s, and then tomorrow back into the 70s for a really nice day. Just we'll keep those breezy northwest winds pushing in, so keep that in mind if you're out and about on your Sunday as well. So that is what we are looking at. Your 7-day forecast. We'll go upper 70s today, down to 72 tomorrow with those winds sticking around. 77 on Monday, 85 on Tuesday, and 84 Wednesday. We see those 80s back on the rise. Upper 70s to low 80s Thursday, and then right around 80 on Friday as well. We could see some evening showers and storms there on your Friday. Now, looking at the 10-day temperature trend, we've got 70s for the rest of this weekend, and 70s Monday. We can see quite a few 80s being sprinkled in before we get back down into the 70s once again by next weekend. So that first weekend of May, it looks like we'll see temperatures closer to average, back into the low to mid 70s.